Happy Thursday, guys. Saying bittersweet goodbye to my marigold structured ruffle skirt asymmetrical gown. I recently designed it pre-COVID and I was planning to rent it, but renting is not available at the moment. So I had to sell it. It's going to its new owner and it's so beautiful. I put so much work in there. Look at this skirt. Lots of ruffles, structured taffeta, asymmetrical shoulder. That's me. Look how beautiful it is. I don't have enough space to show it very well at the same time, but you get the idea. Big ruffle, asymmetrical, high-low skirt. You can tell it's here high up front.